Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous video I showed you how to use print function, what are variables and how to use them. So now today I'm going to show you how to use if, else if and else. So now we can start. I suggested you to use PyCharm ID, Integrated Development Environment Tool. So let's start by using our ID JetBrains PyCharm. So now can start. As you see, this is what you're seeing in the previous video. How to use print function and variable and what is a variable. So now we are going to see how to use if, elif, and else. Let's start by creating a new file. Python file. Let's call it else Python file. So now we are going to start our codes. Let's start by declaring a variable. For example, f equal for 5, g equal h, if this is the error, we have to declare a variable with a value. We have to assign, for example, 10. So for there, we are going to start by using if. If is greater than g, we have to put space there. This is the error. We have to put space there and there. Print f is greater than g. Let's run our code and see what will be the result. As you see, no result because f is not greater than g. Let us see. So now I can proceed by using else print g is greater than f. So now I can run our project. G is greater than f. This is if return the value if the value is true. As you see, else print g, else it is like if it is not f is greater than, if it is f is not, if f is not greater than g, in order to get the result. But we can also use else if. Else as if no in Python programming we use elif, we don't use else if, we use elif. Elif g is greater than 2, or if g is greater than f, print g is greater than f, else g is equal to f. Let us run our Python file. Run else. As you see, g is greater than f. Let's put there 15 and run our else. As you see, now f is greater than g. For this, you can also use many elif here before else. You can also use elif again, more than one elif before else. Elif g is equal f, print g is equal to f, else g not sure that g is equal to f. Let us run our program. For example, if it is equal, if 10 variable is equal to, if f variable is equal to 10, and if g is also equal to 10, let's run our, it is like print g is equal to f. Let us see. G is equal to f. But if you put there 15, F is greater than G, because 15 is greater than 10. If we put there 10, G is equal to F, because F is equal to G, 10 value is equal to 10 value. So now, as you see, this is our second video of Python programming course. If you do subscribe, you will follow all courses. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for getting more update about this course. Thank you.